Everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is just purple cabbage, and I'm about to let it burn if I don't pay attention to what I'm doing. See there, get my phone out, start messing with it, and let this stuff cook just a little bit too fast. Alright, I'm cooking purple cabbage, and y'all know when I cook on the grill I always overcook, and I'll freeze it and I'll heat it up. I've got some lamb chops in the oven, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some garlic powder, some Lowery seasoning, and some Creole seasoning on my cabbage. I'm going to cut up some onions and put in there. I love onions as much as I love cabbage, so there'll probably be as many onions as there is cabbage in there. But I like my stuff firm. I don't like it cooked away. I like a little bit of firmness to it. And I'll be pouring vinegar out of my homemade vinegar pepper. So it's got a little bit of bite to it, so you have to bite hard. And in the video on the bottom left at the end of this video will be how I made these peppers. So if you like stuff like this, I got garlic in there, and pretty hot peppers. There's little rooster spurs up top. They got a bite to them. They will bite you. That's what I like though. But this is a quick meal since I've already got my meat cooked, and I love cabbage any way you cook it. Kimchi, sauerkraut, fried, boiled, raw. I love cabbage. Gosh, I love it. And it's good for you too. So are onions. So thanks so much for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.